Hello, everyone. Are you looking for the best plastic welder? You've come to the right place. In this video, we've compiled the top 5 plastic welders just for you. Stick around until the end for a special surprise. Now let's dive in. VCTSELITY VF54 Plastic Welder. Leading our list is the VCTSELITY VF54 Plastic Welder, which boasts 150 watts of rapid heating capability, ideal for tackling various plastic repair tasks with ease. This 2-in-1 kit comes with 800 hot staples and 56 plastic welding rods, accommodating various repair needs. Ideal for fixing car bumpers, dashboards, and other plastic items. It features a non-slip rubber handle for improved grip and LED headlamps for better visibility. Its user-friendly design ensures easy operation, and the comprehensive package delivers robust heating capacity for professional-grade repairs. ALLTURN PWG 100 Plastic Welder. The ALLTURN PWG 100 Plastic Welder is a robust tool designed for efficient plastic repairs with 100 watts of heating power. It is effective for restoring various plastic parts like car bumpers and dashboards. The kit includes 400 hot staples, providing versatility for different repair jobs. Its ergonomic design features a comfortable grip and user-friendly operation, ensuring ease of use. Safety is enhanced with internal overheating protection and a patented design. This hot stapler kit is ideal for extending the life of plastic components with both durability and ease of use. SONNLER 0621 Plastic Welder. The SONNLER 0621 Plastic Welder is designed to repair cracks and broken plastic parts with 100 watts of power. This kit offers versatility and efficiency, including 1,000 hot staples, a plastic iron, plastic rods, metal mesh, abrasive paper, and aluminum tape. The array of tools ensures you can handle various plastic materials professionally. The easy-to-follow instructions make it suitable for beginners, providing a cost-effective way to restore plastic items and avoid costly replacements. MIOTORIO 0221 Plastic Welder. The MIOTORIO 0221 Plastic Welder provides 150 watts of rapid heating power, ideal for quick and effective plastic repairs. It includes 800 hot staples and 56 plastic welding rods, offering versatility for various applications, including car bumpers and instrument panels. The user-friendly design simplifies operation, enabling professional results with minimal effort. With its efficient heating capabilities and complete kit, this welder is an excellent choice for those seeking reliable and efficient solutions for plastic repairs. TOOLIOM TL-PWK Plastic Welder. Concluding our list is the TOOLIOM TL-PWK Plastic Welder, a robust 100W tool engineered for fast and efficient plastic repairs. Featuring rapid heating in just 3 seconds and reaching temperatures up to 400 degrees Celsius, it handles various plastic types with ease. The tool includes 400 hot staples in 4 types, such as wave, flat, M, and V, allowing for versatile repairs on car bumpers, kayaks, and more. Its ergonomic handle ensures comfort during prolonged use, while the compact design makes it portable and easy to handle. The kit also comes with a practical toolbox for convenient storage and organization, making it ideal for automotive and general plastic repairs. Goodbye for now. We hope this video helps you find the perfect plastic welder. Remember to subscribe for more tips and reviews. See you in the next video.